people think, hey, I want to be an entrepreneur, so I'm going to read all these entrepreneur books. I'm going to listen to Danny and Nick talk. I'm going to go on Twitter. I'm going to read from all these brilliant people. And what you understand, what you eventually learn is that all advice is completely nuanced. There's why, as an entrepreneur, every day you have a decision and it's a why in the road, and you can go left or you can go right. And many, many, many times they both take you to the same place. So how to do business is not, there's no playbook. There is no playbook here. It's just like, hey, I want to build muscle. So I'm going to read about building muscle. I'm going to build a plan. I'm going to watch the Arnold Schwarzenegger documentary. I'm going to study the human body. I'm going to build a nutritional guideline. I'm going to spend 6 months doing all that, but I haven't actually picked up a weight. My muscles are actually going to be going away the entire time. You got to go to the gym and you got to pick up the damn weight. So to get better at leading a company, you got to actually try it. To get better at delegating, you got to actually do it. But this stuff is hard. It's scary. It's uncomfortable. Like, imagine all the decisions that led up to me being on the side of the road in Boston with, boxes in the back of a box truck that I got to deliver to students in houses. Like, it was scary all along. I wasn't afraid to actually try it. So there's so many people who have just crippling anxiety about business because it is scary. It is uncomfortable. It is risky. But there's only one way to do it. And I feel pretty strongly that half of business is just having the courage to put yourself out there and try. Like, that's half of it.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.